This is how to use the Ninja Nematode Indicator. So go to google.com and type Ninja. Choose the Ninja Nematode Indicator Joint Analysis and select this. And this is the website. Click OK. Step 1 is to arrange an input table as follows. So this is an example of an input table. The first column is not to be used for the analysis, but it is intended for users' convenience only. The second column is the names of treatment or sampling sites. So for this, we have control, site A, site B, and site C. The first row is the taxa name that can either be families or genera or species of nematodes. And the numbers in the table represent counts of individuals normalized per unit of area, soil volume, or mass. So, step 2 in using the Nematode Indicator Joint Analysis is to make sure that the input table is saved in a sheet in the usual Excel format. And then choose File, click your input table, and this is, in seconds you will have your summary. You have maturity index mean, sigma maturity mean, index mean, plant parasitic index, enrichment index, and other forms of summary. You have your feeding types. You have colonizer, persister. So this is the feeding type. It already gives you the graph: feeding type, composition of nematode assemblage, feeding type, composition of herbivore nematode assemblage, and colonizer, persister of the free-living nematode assemblage. So it is so handy because the graph is already available and you can just screenshot it and use it on your research or biomonitoring program. You have your MI family indices, and it gives you the graph: maturity index, sigma maturity index, plant parasitic index. You have your food web diagnostics, basal index, and your food web analysis interpretation, and the food web analysis of your data. So these are the main feature of the Ninja Nematode Indicator. All you have to do is you need to have the input table needs to have the taxonomic inventory data.